Often when organizations start working agile, they quickly see the benefits arise. However, certain challenges come around when they would like to scale up their business agility throughout the whole organization, across other business units. Today, I'm here with Kim and Ellen to discuss together these challenges and how organizations can manage their agile portfolio management. Would you like to tell us some more about different challenges that arise for organizations?
Yeah, so one of the challenges we see with organizations that want to scale their agile way of working is that they also have to break down the traditional silos in the organization. That is because they have to organize the teams around value streams in order to collaborate more. And another thing is that when they start experimenting with new innovative solutions, they really have to get comfortable with the unknown and also get comfortable with making hard decisions because they have to focus on doing the right things. And this means that they have to make a shift in culture and in mindset, and that can sometimes be met with resistance.
And to add to that, it's really important that leadership takes a role in that. They should really lead by example by embracing concepts like objectives and key results, agile portfolio management and agile budgeting to make sure that it's successfully scaled throughout all levels of the organization.
All right, and you just mentioned some different concepts. Would you like to elaborate on agile portfolio management?
Agile portfolio management is a continuous process of identifying, interpreting, selecting, delivering and monitoring the value of a portfolio in a flexible manner. So that starts with really identifying what is the value that we deliver to our business or to our customers and formulate that into a clear portfolio vision and strategic themes. These are then broken down into epics and features and placed on the portfolio backlog. And after that, we prioritize those epics and features based on the contribution they have to the strategic goals or size or maybe other important factors to consider. After that, the teams are delivering the value in the same cadence, in the same heartbeat to ensure alignment. And lastly, we monitor if the epics and features are really delivering the value that we expected and use those insights to maybe reevaluate strategic themes or reprioritize the backlog. So overall, it's really a framework that helps organizations to link the strategic vision, strategic goals of an organization to the delivery of the teams and making sure that you constantly focus on doing the right things while also doing things right.
Kim, would you like to tell us the difference between agile portfolio management and traditional portfolio management?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, traditionally you see that portfolio management follows an approach that is very top-down, but also long-term. And that is because projects are planned upfront in a lot of detail. And the budgets are also fixed based on the business case of those projects in the portfolio, which means that they are also fixed for a longer time horizon. And with agile portfolio management, the approach really embraces change and looks into delivering value incrementally. And this means that the budget, but also resources are allocated towards value streams and re-evaluated continuously and also adapted accordingly. So this means that organizations can pivot way more when they have new insights. And this allows for more adaptability, but also flexibility.
Okay, and also great to hear that organizations can work more flexible then. Could you provide us with some practical examples on how to overcome certain challenges?
Yeah, I think it's important to consider there's not a one-size-fits-all with agile portfolio management. You cannot just implement the SAFe framework, have the roles and the meeting cadences in place and expect to be done. So it's really important that you adjust the principles to your own context and to your own organization and start implementing in an iterative manner so that you can experiment quickly and see what works and what doesn't work for you. And you can also adjust then accordingly.
Yeah, and maybe one other thing to mention that is really important, I think, is that agile portfolio management is a method and it should not be a goal in itself. So the goal should always be to maximize the value for your customers and for your business. And agile portfolio management can then provide you with guidelines and principles in order to do that.
Thanks a lot for your insight, ladies. And thank you for listening to this Invent Talk. If you want to know more about agile portfolio management, click on the link below for our point of view. And if you have any more questions, do not hesitate to contact one of our business agility experts.